Au ice cream maker is produced by the modern technology ensemble of European standard ISO 9001 by 2015. Au HAK 322 possesses the compact and elegant design with a polished stainless surface. Au ice cream maker is warranted in 3 years, widely used in many famous restaurants, coffee chains, hotels, such as the machine utilizes the smart display in Vietnamese and English. It integrates many advantages such as preservation of materials, customized foam degree of ice cream, and so on. HAK 322 can produce ice cream quickly in only 5 minutes, making sure that the ice cream is fresh without foam and ice. The quality of ice cream made by Au machine exceeds that of the other ice cream makers in the market. The machine applied imported components with flagrant certifications and followed the European CE making standard. Au Group is the top brand of supplying ice cream makers, with more than 8 years of development in the market, having more than 200 showrooms and salepoints on the nationwide.